to decode 5,000 years of our wonderful history, are we going to depend on storytellers? No, we need some proper analytical minds for that. Welcome to Kautuhal Shala, podcast by Bharat Sutra. Kautuhal Shala, as the name suggests, is a house of curiosity because we are after facts. There's no propaganda, there's no political discourse going on here. The only thing we want is pure and simple factual history. Namaskar, I'm Aradhna Sharma, and I'm so excited and happy today to be able to introduce to you two very sharp, very brilliant analytical minds, Mr. Hemant Rajopadhyay. Hemant ji is a scholar in Sanskrit, in ancient Indian history, and also South Asian religious studies. He has an MA in Sanskrit with gold medal from SPPU Pune, an MA in Indology from Tilak Maharashtra University Pune, and an MPhil too from SPPU Pune under his belt. Hemant ji's academic pedigree is immense. But Hemant ji doesn't just study the past, he also takes care of the future. Hemant ji की reach सिर्फ academics और tech तक नहीं है. If you have been seeing movies, then you must have noticed blockbuster movies में जब बड़ी-बड़ी वो संस्कृत chants आती हैं, तो that atmosphere बन जाता है. उसके lyrics भी हेमंत जी ने दिए हैं for movies like Tingam, Super 30 और Panipat. Let me introduce you to another analytical and very brilliant mind. It's my honor and privilege to introduce to you Mr. Ashok Mishra. Ashok ji is the author of the Hinduism series. Driven by 7 years of intense study and research, his work covers the whole 5,000 years of our Indus Valley civilization. Also, the Sanatan Dharam he is unraveling for us so beautifully. He unpacks the true meaning of Sanatan Dharam, finds out the real meaning of the 4 Vedas, and also decodes for us something which is very, very important. He's critically examined what the early European writers have taken from our religious texts and the kind of translations they have done. They have massive, massive errors. Together, they are here today to cut through the colonial mistranslations and the errors of the past history they have told us in bits and pieces, and in many cases in very wrong ways also. Are you ready to follow the thread?